Good morning, students. Today we will start with new lesson of Journal Science, lesson number 4, Common Insects. Let's know what are insects. Might be you are familiar with the pictures given here. Can you guess what's the name of this insect? These are the insects, the tiny creatures that we saw flying around us or crawling around us, जिनको हम उड़ते हुए या फिर क्रॉल करते हुए ऐसे नीचे चलते हुए देखते हैं. That are called insects. And can you guess what's the name of this insect? Yeah, it's very easy. Yes, its name is cockroach. It's cockroach. ये कॉकरोच है. ये आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे. यू विल राइट हेयर वेयर द स्पेसेस आर गिवन. यू विल राइट देयर नेम्स हेयर. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट्स इट्स नेम? या इट्स ant. Next is grasshopper. Next, a beautiful creature of God. What's its name? Its name is butterfly. Yes. And next, it's ladybird. And the last is wasp. I just matched the pictures with the names, but you will not do the same. You will write the names here where the spaces are given. Okay, let's start reading of the chapter. He said, insects are tiny creatures seen crawling and flying around. Insects are tiny means very small. Small creatures of the God, like जिनको हम उड़ता हुआ या फिर नीचे ऐसे धरती पे रेंगता हुआ देखते हैं, crawling. All insects have some things in common. What are common things? Let's study. See this insect. See the picture. All insects have a head. This is head. All have a thorax. And all have abdomen. Abdomen area means like जैसे उनका stomach वाला area हो गया. ठीक है. Thorax means जैसे हमारा गला होता है. ठीक, उस हिसाब से हमारा throat वाला area. And head. And these three things are common in the insects. Insects usually have large eyes on their heads. They have large eyes. See, these are the eyes of this insect. They have large eyes on their head. They have feelers on their heads. Feelers means they can feel. उनके पास ऐसी कुछ सेंसर्स उनकी बॉडी के ऊपर होते हैं, हेड के ऊपर होते हैं, जो कि चीज़ों को फील कर लेते हैं ईजिली. They have feelers on their heads that help them to find out more about their surrounding, जिसके साथ कि उनको पता चल जाता है कि उनके आसपास कुछ है. ठीक है. कभी कभी आप ट्राई करके देखना दैट वेन एवर वी टेक आवर हैंड टूवर्ड द इंसेक्ट, वो ऑटोमेटिकली फ्लाई कर जाते हैं, वहाँ से चले जाते हैं. क्यों? चाहे वो देख भी ना रहे हों. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको क्या हो जाता है, फील हो जाता है. दे कैन सेंस आवर प्रेजेंस. ओके. Next is, see, insects use their feelers to pick up smells and taste. I told you now that they have feelers on their head. So they use these feelers to take smell of something or to taste something. Next, all insects have 6 legs. सभी इंसेक्ट के 6 legs होती हैं. As we have 2 legs, dog have 4 legs. As insects have 6 legs. Some insects have 2 pairs of wings. Some of them, those can fly, they have 2 pairs of wings. Right? And the legs and wings are fixed at the thorax. Legs and wings are fixed at the thorax. Where is thorax? This part is called thorax. See, they have this insect have wings and that are fixed on the thorax, and legs are also fixed on the thorax. And next is, insects have tiny holes called spiracles. Insects have, इनके पास छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं, that are called spiracles on their abdomen. At this area they have small holes, tiny holes. They breathe through them. So what is the function of spiracle? They breathe through them. Insect जो है, spiracle जो tiny holes हैं, with the help of spiracles इंसेक्ट जो हैं वो ब्रीथ करते हैं, मीन्स सांस लेते हैं, सांस बाहर छोड़ते हैं. So today we will discuss only up to this. See, some insects are given here: butterfly, cockroach, and head lice. Head lice means जो like कुछ लोगों के सर में ऐसे इंसेक्ट्स पड़ जाते हैं. ठीक है, अब नहीं होता ऐसे, क्योंकि अभी तो आप लोग नहा के रहते हो ना, साफ रहते हो बिल्कुल, तो ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. लेकिन जो बच्चे गंदे रहते हैं उनके सर में ऐसी लाइसेस आ जाती हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली दे गेट जनरेट. ठीक है, सो ऐसी क्या करती हैं ये हेड लाइस, क्या करती है, इट जस्ट क्रिएट इरिटेशन इन द हेड, इचिंग क्रिएट करती है. सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अप टू हेयर. यू विल रीड द चैप्टर अप टू हेयर, and next video we will discuss about further chapter. Thank you.